How can I create an object and add attributes to it? I want to create a dynamic object, inside another object, in Python and then add attributes to it. I tried. But this didn't work. Any ideas? Edit. I am setting the attributes from a for loop which loops through a list of values, e.g. In the above example I would get obj.add.attr1, obj.add.attr2, obj.add.attr3. I used the settattr function because I didn't know how to do obj.add.name from a for loop. How would I set the attribute based on the value of p in the example above? For details on why it doesn't work, see can't set attributes on instance of object class.
The built-in object can be instantiated, but can't have any attributes set on it. I wish it could, for this exact purpose. This is because it doesn't have a __dict__ to hold the attributes. I generally just do this. But consider giving the object class a more meaningful name, depending on what data it holds. Another possibility is to use a subclass of dict that allows attribute access to get at the keys. To instantiate the object attributes using a dictionary.
You could use my ancient bunch recipe, but if you don't want to make a bunch class, a very simple one already exists in Python. All functions can have arbitrary attributes, including lambda functions. So, the following works. Whether the loss of clarity compared to the venerable bunch recipe is okay, is a style decision I will of course leave up to you.
There is types.simplenum space class in Python 3.3+. Collections.nameTuple, typing.nameTuple could be used for immutable objects. PEP 557 data classes suggests a mutable alternative. For a richer functionality, you could try add as package. See an example usage. Pydantic may be worth a look too.
The mock module is basically made for that.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.